Alright folks, check this out. I made a mistake. I did not drain the gas out of these things when I put them away last March. So it's December now. We're gonna need them for some snow removal, and we're gonna show you this bad boy. These have some electric starts. So I mean, basically, we're going to, instead of trying to sit here and yank them and pull them and do all this stuff, we're gonna take the easy way out. We're gonna see if these bad boys will start. So hopefully I didn't ruin them with letting them sit. Well, pretty sure I'm probably gonna have to change the gas. In fact, I think I'm just gonna try to change the gas. It does smell kind of bad. Yeah, don't smell right. Alright folks, we cleaned the carburetor out on this one, and we're putting some fresh gasoline in here. Woo! Dang it. We're leaking out my overflow. I poured it from the wrong direction. Clean that up. Alright. There we go. Okay. Moment of truth right here on these CUB Cadets. 1X. I keep calling them the X1, but they're 1X. That's it. We all make mistakes. So, alright, got some new gas in there. Pull the choke out. I shouldn't have done that. There was a lot of dog hair and debris in there. They were kind of sitting by the dog kennels. But, alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Alright, I have to let this place air out just a little bit. But anyways, so now we're gonna move on to round 2. We got another one. We're gonna try this one. Here, drain the gas. Now we just gotta get the carburetor cleaned out. Super simple. I'll put it up here, pull this back piece off, and then kind of show you what to do. Really simple stuff, but yeah, I'll show you a little bit. Real quick, we got a bolt right here, a bolt up here, and a bolt right here. Basically, take those off. I'm using 10 millimeter. Take it off. We'll take it off real quick. All right, super simple. You're gonna want to drain this, pull this bolt out, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. All these bolts are 10 millimeter. So drain that. Basically, to drain the rest of the fuel out, I take this hose off. Basically, you're gonna take this cap off, pull this hose out because that's connected to here. Also, this hose right here, you're gonna want to pull this one off right there. And then when you pull this off, you'll see the throttle. You're gonna want to pull the throttle back there off. That little metal piece right here. You're gonna want to pull this off. Anyways, pull that stuff off. And all I did was in the carburetor, there's this bolt, pull this down. There's a little hole right here for your, what is it? That's where they put out the, I can't even think of the name. Your jet. Anyways, you're gonna want to clean your jet. Mine was blocked. It's just a little hole. So basically, I took this in the other shop and I blew air through here, blew air through there, made sure it was all golden, blew the jet out, made sure there was flow in the carburetor, and then basically that's it. And then I started it, put it back together. So put it back together, do that, put it back together, fire it up, and put fresh gas in. That's it. I'm out of here. That's what I'm gonna do today. As you can see, we have, yeah, it's kind of a mess. I'm gonna try to get out here. I've got a heater. I've got a separate heater that hooks up to my natural gas. And believe it or not, it is now winter time. I procrastinated, but now I need to get it done because I need to heat this space. It's gonna cost me more to heat it because as you can see, I don't have insulation yet. So that's the next step. Insulate that and insulate some of this stuff. I'm just gonna start insulating some of this stuff so I can be better off out here in the shop to work because I've got the heater. So here we go. That's it. I'm done. But remember, smile. That's right. Smile every freaking morning. Every morning before you get out of bed, man. You should smile and you should drink a glass of water. Change your mindset. We're going to start getting into some other things too here shortly in some other videos about what you can do to improve your life, your lifestyle. If you're sick of how you're living, make a change. Right now, I'm making a change. It's hard. It's hard to get in the groove, but I feel like I've got some equipment now that we're ready. I already had the equipment, but up here. We're getting some equipment done up here. So stay tuned, follow along, subscribe, and be ready because we're going to take this stuff out and PS over there in the corner. That's the next. I'm going to get some of these motorcycles out of here in the little shop. And we're going to bust out the snowmobile because it's winter time in the city. Just kidding. Hey, peace out.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.